Good morning, this is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial this morning looking at the VR sequential indicator here on eSIGNAL. The VR sequential indicator posts all positive and negative VRs. We have two other versions, as you may remember from our webinar: the directional, which filters out repetitive VRs, and the 2-day, which basically presents a 2-day or 2-bar trade. We're going to focus on the sequential because personally I like to see all the VRs and make a determination from there. We're going to look at two stocks this morning, both of which are recommendations at VRTrader.com. The first one is IM Gold, IAG. We generated a nice positive VR here about 6 trading days back. We're long on the service. The 533 stochastic turned up. We managed to cross above the 50-day moving average, which is this blue line, and we have resistance up here at the 200-day, which is around the $4 area. Now, whether this is the beginning of a big move or a small move, that I can't say. There's certainly enough bearishness out there in gold and gold shares, but it could just be a technical bounce, so we're going to play that accordingly. The other one that we jumped in was Harmony Gold, HMY. This one, somewhat similar pattern, but not as dynamic, but we had two positive VRs here in the last 4 trading days. As you can see, the stochastic had already turned up, but volume confirmed that the so-called smart money was jumping in. So my thought is you should approach or possibly exceed the 50-day moving average here, which is around 305, and then you got potential up toward 329 as well. So as you know, as I mentioned in the webinar, I basically look at this as 2-day trades or so. You can make an investment and position on a bigger picture basis, and indeed that may be happening. Gold shares and gold tend to bottom in the summer, and we could have experienced an early low here as we are approaching the summer, so something bigger could be unfolding here, and we're just going to have to watch it day to day. But from a trading point of view, we are long these two shares. Thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next update.